Hey, it's Bill and Abby for Bill and Abby's Box Breaks. We got some more Undisputed we're doing. Abby has her birthday box that she had bought with her own money, so she's going to bust that one right now and see what she gets.
5 and 5. Oh, dear. I'm going to side right already. You didn't look for any plates though, on your other ones. Oh, geez. Cut that one. And we got a
Johnny Gargano base
127 auto. Out of 199. Our other cards right here.
Pack number 2. Got a Ric Flair 7 of 25. And a Victor relic.
Such a bad one. That's such a bad relic.
Yeah, it's not a good relic.
And such a bad person.
Just drop it down there.
What the freak? Alexa Bliss. Oh, there it is.
Got a Xavier Woods, number 4 of 99.
How come we got the same card? Austin Aries and JoJo.
JoJo, numbered to 50.
Relic. Yeah, it's 5 out of 50. Oh wait, put these right here.
We got a, whoops.
We dropped it.
We got a drop. We got a good one. We got a Asuka, numbered 5 of 99.
Oh. There's one. The Rock.
The Rock.
Dwayne Johnson.
2 of 50.
And Dana Brooke, 6 out of 50. We got a lot of divas.
Yeah. Diva box so far.
Yeah, that's a bad picture of Dana Brooke.
Got a relic of Big Cass, base relic. A Sheamus, number 26 of 99.
And I got a Dean Ambrose, 71 of 99. I'm going to do the last pack. Yeah.
Got a Mickey James, 75 of 99.
Oh, that's the one you got.
And a Nikki Bella
Woo!
base autograph. And Abby wants to save her last pack for last, so I'm opening my last one.
Yeah, this is a diva set. Let me see how many. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, Abby's got to trade me.
Alexa Bliss.
Alexa Bliss autograph relic to 99. She has to trade me for that one.
Wafers.
But I'll give her some good stuff for it.
Yeah, he's giving me some good stuff.
And then
for it.
she's got her last pack now. But she's hoping for an Undertaker, because if she gets an Undertaker, she gets a whole nother box for free if she trades it to me.
Or an Alexa Bliss kiss card. I'm probably gonna get a second one. Just like TJ Perkins, Dash Wilder, or whoever. And Baron Corbin.
Baron Corbin.
93 out of 100.
Base auto. Awesome. So, that's it for Abby's birthday box. She's going to make out like a bandit, though, because she's going to get some good cards for that Alexa Bliss. So, anyway, we'll be back with another video shortly. Thanks.